I had this very large flat in London, in Bayswater. So what actually happened was that when people used to come to England from abroad, they would all end up on my floor. So much so that I had a big front room that actually had 4 mattresses on the floor. But anyway, basically what happened is Joseph Koudelka, who's Czech, after the Czech uprising, was having potential problems in Czechoslovakia. And Elliot Erwitt, primarily, who was then president of Magnum, discovered a way of getting Joseph out of Czechoslovakia by giving him some award from Magnum or something to come and take pictures. There was this ring at the front door bell, and it was Elliot, who I knew was coming, with this photographer who I didn't know very much about, who was Joseph Koudelka. And so Elliot said, look, Joseph here, couldn't he use your darkroom and stay with you while he develops this film? So I said, yeah, of course he can come. And how many rolls do you have? And my memory is he said 800. And so he stayed in the flat, who knows, we said 8 years or so. It was an awful long time. And so we, in the end, were so close that we actually introduced each other. This is my brother. I introduce him as my brother, and he does the same. And I love him dearly. And he's just the most perfect example, because I've never known anybody that works so hard. I've never known anybody that's so involved with photography, that's so meticulous about what he does.